24 is LCM of 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Now the question is, why we are calling 24 as the LCM of all these numbers? To understand this better, we will have to write the full form of LCM, that is lowest common multiple. Now 24 can be divided by 2, 24 can be divided by 3, 24 can be divided by 4 and 24 can also be divided by 6, 8 and 12 as well. In other words, we can say that 24 is multiple of 2, 24 is multiple of 3, 24 is multiple of 4, 24 is multiple of 6, 24 is multiple of 8 and 24 is also multiple of 12. Multiple. 24 is multiple of all these numbers individually. Now 24 is multiple of all these numbers. It means 24 is a common multiple. Now suppose we have 18. 18 is a multiple of 2. 18 is multiple of 3. 18 is not multiple of 4. 18 is again multiple of 6. But 18 is again not multiple of 8 and 12. So here 18 is not a common multiple of all these numbers. But in the case of 24, 24 is common multiple of all these numbers. That is why 24 is common multiple. Now come to this word lowest. There are many numbers, many numbers, uncountable numbers greater than 24 which can be divided by all these numbers simultaneously. For example, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144 means all the multiples of 24 can be divided by all these numbers simultaneously. But there is not even a single number smaller than 24 which can do this job of getting divided by all these numbers simultaneously. For example, 23 cannot do this job, 22 cannot do this job, 22 can be divided only by 2. 20 can't do this job, 20 can only be divided by 2 and 4. Similarly, 18, 16, 14, all these numbers cannot do this job of getting divided by all these numbers simultaneously. It means there are so many numbers bigger than 24 which can be divided by these numbers, but there is not even a single number smaller than 24 which can be divided by all these numbers. It means 24 is the smallest number. So 24 is the lowest number. Now 24 is multiple of all these numbers. 24 is common multiple of all these numbers, and at the same time 24 is the lowest common multiple of all these numbers. That is why we are calling 24 the lowest common multiple of all these numbers.